The AutoPress Max Flat Press Edition is a smart heat press that brings ease and creativity to all your craft projects. Its ultra-large touchscreen makes navigating tasks simple. Whether you're a beginner or experienced, it's time-saving and user-friendly. This desktop auto heat press features a drawer design that gives you extra space for prep, streamlining your workflow. With its built-in handle and space-saving design, thickened heating plates provide stable and evenly pressure, which is automatically adjusted according to the thickness of the substrates. You can also reduce packaging and shipping costs. It comes with 4 preset modes, 2 custom modes, and a batch production mode, unlocking endless possibilities. Plus, the presets are fully customizable, letting you make the heat press truly your own. Batch production mode makes mass personalization easy. Just one touch to repeat the process effortlessly. The premium heating element offers consistent results, with a timer that extends up to 16 minutes, a maximum temperature of 205 degrees Celsius, and a compatible thickness of 2 centimeters. From DTF transfers to gift boxes, hardboard, aluminum sheet, photo slates, you can expect perfect creations every time.